Hi everyone, welcome back to the build. Look at the progress. So yeah, we've been working on our kitchen and the bed area. So in this video, we're going to show you how we've put all of this together. Look at this beast. No, not Tash. This. So that circular saw is what we're going to use to cut the countertops. Alright, that's the countertops on. Yeah, looking very, very good. You'd have seen we would have had to trim them up. So we've got like a bit of a lip off the edge here, and then we've used sort of like the backing there to put this piece in, so that looks like that. We're still going to get an actual splashback over there. And yeah, we've trimmed that one, and I think it looks amazing. So what is this? This is...
It's 22 mil.
These are 22 mil,
yeah.
Okay. So yeah, we've got the 22 mil, I think it's just oak, right? Oak countertops?
Yeah.
Very, very nice. And then we need to cut a hole here, because this is where the hobs go in. And then a hole back here, because this is where we're going to mount the tap, which is currently sat under there. And then yeah, we're going to plop the sink on top, and we're going to fix it into position on top of the counter, not in the counter. I'm quite tall, and I can't be bothered to be bending into sinks anymore, so there we go. Alright, so we've brought the sink in. As I said, we're going to plant the sink here on the countertop and not fit it into the countertop. Just draw the hole where we're going to drill, so this is comfortable, and then I've already made pencil marks here for where the tap's going to go. And just tighten it underneath.
I'm just wiping it down with a bit of water and a cloth just to get any sawdust off before we put the oil on. Now we're just going to add 2 coats of osmo oil on all the work surfaces. It's looking so good. Just look at that colour difference there. It just like really brings out the grain and makes it look like a golden colour. Look at the difference in that. I love it.
Instead of using the screws that came with the handle, we're just using 12mm ones so it doesn't go through the wood. And to stop the cupboard swinging open, we're just using these barrel bolts. Alright, so now it's time to wire up the fridge. and I'm going to be using the larger connectors. So these are 4mm, but we're using 6mm wire, but that's fine, that will fit into these connectors. And then yeah, we're going to run the lead around the back into the kitchen, through that storage box, and then straight to the fuse box. So yeah, we're gonna fix the fridge into place before we wire it up. So first of all, we need to dig out the little caps, like that, where you put the fixings into place. And what we're gonna do is, like we've done with like drawers, etc., we're gonna run a bit of ply down the side against the fixing points. And then yeah, we just fix it into there. Right, so we've put 15 amp fuse in for the fridge. Alright, very happy. So that's the fridge all wired up. You see if you push this button, the light moves. Gets a bit colder, so very happy. And then you can see it up here. We've got a freezer. And yeah, nice. So now we're just tucking in the wires. You can see we've already done the conduit under the seating area. Tasha's doing a bit of conduit over there. And then for all the bits in the cupboards here, so we originally did use electrical tape, but we've bought some of these. These are just sticky backed. They're just like an acrylic. There's a hole that side and a hole that side. You just tuck in the wire, put it up and stick it in like that. Now you can see no more wires. And Tasha's sticking the bit of conduit down the side there with some double-sided sticky tape. Alright, so this is an anti-condensation mat, which is primarily used in like shipbuilding and boats, but you can use it for a van. So I've said before, in addition to the holes that we've used in the bed on the ply to allow airflow, we're also using this condensation mat. So I just need to cut that to size.
Thanks for watching as always. We've got a few more jobs to do, so we just need to fit the reversing camera, get the gas fitted.
And then do the split charge relay as well. We need to do that.
Yeah, and then just a few finishing touches like painting some bits and yeah, just odd bits left to do, isn't it, after that? So not long to go now. So yeah, if you enjoyed this, give it a like, subscribe to our channel.
We're nearly at 2,000. We're nearly at 2,000 subscribers, which is amazing. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe. It'll help us a lot.
And we'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.